Hey everybody, I'm Eric from Turbosound. Thanks for joining me here today at Music Studios. I've got the IQ12 here with me today, and I wanted to go over a little bit of the EQ section for you. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So on board the IQ series of powered loudspeakers, you've got the Clark Technic DSP, including the EQ. You've got a semi-parametric EQ, which is great to utilize if you're using this as a portable speaker. Now, if you're using this in different rooms, all rooms are different. Some walls may be made of, let's say, a gypsum board or maybe wood. So every room is going to react a little differently. So you might need to adjust the speaker accordingly. So let's go ahead and get into the EQ section. First, we're going to go over to the process because we're processing the sound, and it's the second selection from the left. We're going to go ahead and hit our encoder. Now, I have this plugged in via the alternate, so on my console, either my M32 series of digital consoles or X32 series of digital consoles, I've got it hooked up via the alternate. So on the board itself, I've had to select user-defined, so that way I can get into the EQ section here. Now, if I was using this in an analog form, I could just go in there and select whatever I want. But we've got a couple of presets here. We've got a preset for live, speech, playback, and then of course the user-defined mode, which is on right now. So if I was to go ahead and hit user-defined here, it's gonna bring me into this menu here where I'm gonna have a low shelving, high shelving ability, plus 2 parametric points. So it's a semi-parametric EQ. So let's go down to one of the parametric points here. And let's say the room that I'm using these speakers in is kind of resonating a little bit too much at 200. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go up to 200, right about there, and I'm gonna go ahead and click that. So now my point is at 201 for my frequency, 201 Hertz, and the quality is the amount of Q that I set to it. So I'm gonna make it kind of narrow at 0.15, and the gain is just basically saying how much you either want to boost that frequency or cut that frequency. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it, let's say 6 dB. Okay, so that's just about as easy as it gets. Go ahead and click out of there, hit the exit, and you're good to go. So there you have it. That was a brief explanation about the EQ settings on board the IQ series of powered loudspeaker. Now, this is great, again, to utilize when you're using these speakers in different rooms because different rooms react differently. So I hope you learned something in this video. For more information, please be sure to visit turbosound.com. I'm Eric. Thanks for joining me here at Music Studios. See you next time.